Sher Kashmir Institute of Medical Sciences, Sora, Srinagar.
A moment of pride and it's a moment of pleasure for all of us to be here again, once again celebrating the annual day for SKIMS.
Born out of a passionate desire to provide excellent healthcare services to the people of Jammu and Kashmir, it has stood tall amidst the odds and evens and served the purpose for which it was created. It is a unique institution, grooming individuals who not only have served locally, but have made a name for themselves and the country internationally as well.
As regards the patient care, SKIMS is a leader applying best healthcare practices, following standard protocols, trying the latest treatment options, and exploring innovations. Empathy is inculcated in the newer generations and reinforced in the senior lot. Dedication is an order, and commitment is the trend. Every moment, a life is saved, a disease is defeated, and death is challenged. From a union, unwilling to accept the environment outside the womb of his mother, all that bothers him is taken care of.
SKIMS is a tertiary care hospital जहां हम on an average 5,000 patients OPD में और रोजाना देखते हैं और emergency में around between 700 to 800 patients every day हम cater करते हैं। हमारा endeavor रहता है कि हम पूरी comfort patient को दे दें और patient satisfaction को हम achieve करें। कि हमने अपने appointment counters को पहले हम 9 बजे खोलते थे तो अब 8 ही बजे खोलते हैं और हमने अपॉइंटमेंट सिस्टम ऑनलाइन कर दिया है, रजिस्ट्रेशन सिस्टम ऑनलाइन करने की कोशिश भी चल रही है। हमने स्कैन एंड शेयर फैसिलिटी रखी है जिससे क्यू लेंथ जल्दी कम हो जाती है ओपीडी में और हमने आबा रजिस्ट्रेशन की फैसिलिटी भी ओपीडी में रखी।
New procedures are introduced and newer techniques to diagnose and treat his ailments are being addressed.
Geriatrics has been introduced as a new specialty to look after the healthcare needs of our elderly.
Medicine and its allied departments like gastroenterology, endocrinology have served the population and introduced newer modalities of treatment which are helpful to the local population and rated highly by international experts in the field.
On behalf of University, congratulate the Department of Pathology for organizing this 41st annual day. From the university side, mostly our work is admission process, then the training part and the examination process of medical and paramedical courses. During the current year, we have done some reforms in the form of we have been very particular about attendance, very particular about the thesis work, timing of submitting the thesis work. So we have made it sure that the examinations are in time and they finish their examinations are conducted well before they are relieved from the institute. Courses have been started, will be started soon in pediatric endocrinology, on a fellowship in pediatric endocrinology and fellowship which is an accredited fellowship in colorectal surgery. In addition, we have introduced some reforms on the paramedical side, like people from this place or from outside coming for internship. Previously, they would be wandering around. They have to, depending on the vacancy, they apply online.
Pulmonology has developed as a new specialty with advanced lab and equipment.
Cardiology, which is a high-volume center, has an advanced cath lab for diagnosis and treatment of complicated procedures, for which patients used to be referred to other centers. General medicine, with its expanded wings like infectious diseases and rheumatology, has already tackled the pandemic of COVID that disabled even the best institutions of the world. Rheumatology, emergency medicine, and infectious diseases are all serving the population with utmost dedication.
एक बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट चीज जो हमने इस साल की वो है कि हमने आयुष्मान भारत में एक टेंडर सोर्स किया आइडेंटिफाई, जहां हम पेशेंट्स को सब्सिडाइज्ड ड्रग देते हैं ऑन नो लॉस नॉन प्रॉफिट बेसिस। हम कामयाब हो गए हैं इस साल में। बहुत सारे जो आउटब्रेक्स होने लगे थे उनको इमीडिएटली हमने कर्ब किया है विद द हेल्प ऑफ द इन्फेक्शन कंट्रोल टीम। हॉस्पिटल में पेशेंट केयर जो हमारा है, कुछ एरियाज में जहां खराबी हो गई थी, फ्लोर खराब हो गए थे, हमने फेस लिफ्टिंग की। डिजास्टर मैनेजमेंट में हमारा काम बहुत डिकेड से चला आ रहा है एंड उसकी प्रिपरेशंस भी हम रेगुलरली करते रहते हैं। वी कीप आवर सप्लाईज रेडी फॉर द डिजास्टर्स, वी कीप आवर मैन पावर रेडी। जो हमारे पुअर पेशेंट्स होते हैं उनके लिए हमारी इन एडिशन टू द आयुष्मान भारत स्कीम जो चल रही है, मेडिकल स्टूडेंट के पास पावर्स होते हैं एक्सेप्शन करने के अप टू 2000 रुपीज, तो वो कर देते हैं। अगर किसी को उससे ज्यादा करने की जरूरत पड़े तो डायरेक्ट साहब को हम रेफर करके इसी तरह से बाकी जो स्कीम्स है जैसे रैन स्कीम है या बाकी स्कीम RMS स्कीम है, तो बहुत सारी स्कीम्स हैं जो हमारी चल रही है पेशेंट्स के हेल्प के लिए एंड पेशेंट्स आर गेटिंग बेनिफिट फ्रॉम इट।
Surgery and its allied specialty have done the institution proud. Subspecializations and super specializations have produced expert surgeons who can manage all routine and complicated procedures.
SKIMS is a high-volume center for brain tumors, aneurysms, colorectal surgeries, endocrine surgeries, GI surgeries, complex pancreatic surgeries, surgeries for obesity, and laparoscopic surgeries.
The maternity hospital with its gynae and obstetric facility is a lifeline for the people, providing excellent gynecological and obstetric care. These surgical procedures and interventions are possible by the state-of-art anesthesia services, which caters to every surgical emergencies and routine procedures. The intensive care unit services are second to none, and SKIMS ICU are known for their service in emergencies.
Services of radiodiagnosis and radiation oncology cannot be underestimated in an era of technological boom. PET scan has come as a relief to the people of J&K, who earlier had to go to other centers to get this investigation. Pathology has got automatic slide stains that decrease the turnaround time. Hundreds of IHC markers are being routinely done to help in diagnosis, especially of cancers and other complicated diseases. The accreditation of labs, especially in biochemistry, is a milestone. Investigations are being provided 24/7.
The immunology and molecular medicine has emerged as a center for diagnosis and treatment of allergic disorders, transplant immunology, drug provocation studies and desensitization therapies are done. PhD courses, candidates in the department have won accolades everywhere in the country, securing grants for their work. The Department of Advanced Center for Human Genetics is equipped to diagnose the genetic diseases and is involved in research on various cancers